Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to change your YouTube channel banner. So let's get started. First go to YouTube and click your profile picture. Click your channel, and after that click your profile picture again, and you'll go to the customization option of your YouTube studio. After that go to the banner image option, click upload, and choose one of your photos from your PC. After that just click done. And that's how you can upload your channel banner on YouTube. If you click publish, it will be officially published on your YouTube channel. And if you want to change, you just can go to the banner image option and click change. So that's how you can upload a channel banner on YouTube. Hope you guys like this video, share other videos, and subscribe to the channel.